To set up password on an application in the Samsung A37 5G, you can only do this by using this hidden feature. So where it is actually located, you will have to open the settings, then go to security and privacy. Now you have to move for more security settings and go for a secure folder. So now you will have to open it. If you are using this for the first time, I can just recommend you to read the description, click continue. You will have to grant all of those permissions. And now as you can see, it's gonna start creating that folder. It will take around 30 seconds. Now, when this creation process is finished, you will have to select a password. So for me, I will just get a simple pattern. We have to input our password twice. Now we can additionally enable that option to reset that screen lock with Samsung account. Very useful if we often forget our passwords. But for me, of course, I'm not gonna forget this one because it's like super simple. Now we have to click next and select the behavior. So what happens when a secure folder is locked? What I can recommend you to close all apps while locked to don't get anything in the background. Now click down. So as you can see right now, we can bring here any application and set password on it. I mean, it will be automatically protected with the password thanks to the secure folder. So I'm gonna do that, for example, with my TikTok application. I'm gonna add it like so. And now I have to open the TikTok and log in to my account because it's like making a copy of the application. There's no way to actually move, for example, this application, take it off from here and put it into the secure folder. It's gonna create a copy, and then on this copy application you have to log in. And there's also no any option to set a password here. So if you want to just open the Facebook and get it locked, there's no way for this. The only way to get a password on it, then just simply use a secure folder. Every time you will gonna open it and exit, you have to input the password, and that's how it actually works.